Recently, the public has been shaken by the Grok AI case, where many people are upset about this Grok AI incident because it is able to generate images or videos with sexual nuances. As a result, in several countries, Grok AI has already been blocked, and even the United Kingdom and Malaysia are reportedly also trying to investigate whether Grok AI truly poses a threat to many people's privacy. My country is also among those that have blocked Grok, so it can no longer be used. However, in this video, we will share AI recommendations as alternatives to Grok, where you can create AI videos for free. But before we get into the video tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that I can be even more motivated to create interesting content for all of you. Here is the video tutorial. The first website we are going to try is called Upsampler. With this AI, you can create AI videos for free without spending any money at all. The interface looks like this, and I will provide the link in the comment section or in the description. You can log in first if you want, but if you don't want to log in, that's also not a problem. If we take a look at the pricing available on Upsampler, we can check it here. There are already options for free, pro, premium, and business, and the prices are clearly listed. You can try subscribing if you want to spend money on this AI. But don't worry, there's no need to subscribe either, so we'll just go back. Here, there are already tools available to create videos, and the models are also available. For the available models, there are text-to-video models, including 5B and 14B, and then there is image-to-video, which is 14B Pro. Now we will try them one by one, friends. First, we start with the 5B model. For the prompt, we just fill it in. I will try a random prompt, and here there is an aspect ratio option. I will try using a 16:9 ratio or landscape, and then we directly click Generate Video. The generation process does not take too long, friends. It takes around 1 to 2 minutes to generate one video. Now, the video is finished. This is the result of the video generated using Upsampler.com. If you want to download it, just click Download, and the video will be saved directly to your gallery. The process is almost the same if you want to use another model. That's the first tool we can learn. Now we will move on to the second AI tool that can still be used for free. The second tool we want to try is Meta.ai. This uses the Runway ML model, and as you know, the video results are also quite good. You can see several video results that have been created previously. The videos look realistic, almost similar to Grok.com. Here, we will try to use this AI. The method is easy. You just need to click the icon on the sidebar, then we can log in. If you have previously logged in using your Facebook or Instagram account, you will be brought to a display like this. Here, we just click Login, and this is the interface of Meta.ai. In Meta.ai, there is not even a subscription feature, which means that so far it can still be used for free, but I don't know what the limit is for creating AI videos here. Creating videos here is also quite easy. We just click the sidebar, then select Create. After that, we will be brought to a display like this. These are some of the works that I have created, and as you can see on your screen, the results are really good and meet expectations. At the bottom, there is already a field to create a prompt. Here, we can decide whether we want to create a video first or create an image first. In this example, I will start by creating an image first. We just enter a random prompt, then set the ratio to 16:9. For this section, you can adjust it, or if you leave it as it is, that's also fine. Once it's done, we just send it. After it finishes, you can see that 4 images have been created here. These images meet my expectations, and I even like the results that were generated. These images can be edited again. You can see on the right side that there are several options to edit the image. You can even change the style, add a cameo, and edit it here. For example, if you want to add an animal on top of the bed, that's possible. If you want to add music, that's also possible. But here, we will just leave it as it is and directly generate it into a video. The method is quite simple. There are 2 ways you can do this. First, you can just click Animate, so it will be generated automatically without needing to enter a prompt. But if you already have a prompt, you can click Custom Animation, then enter your prompt and click Animate. In this case, we will use the automatic system. We go back and just click Animate without entering a prompt. Now it will be processed at the top, and we just need to wait until the result is finished. Now the video result is finished, and this is the result created using Meta.ai. As you can see, there is a character generated here. If you want to edit it again, that's fine. You just go to the right side. Here you can change the style of the video you created earlier. For example, we just select one option. I will try choosing the one below, and I will use the video game style. It will be generated again at the top, and we just wait for the result to finish. Now the video is finished, and the style has been changed like this. If you want to increase the duration, that's also possible. For example, if we want a longer duration, we go to the right side again, and at the bottom, there is an extend option. We just click it, and the duration will be extended to 9 seconds. This is the result of the video, and as you can see, it has been extended by another 4 seconds. You can use this method repeatedly until the duration matches what you want. So those are some methods you can use as alternatives to Grok AI if it has already been blocked. You can try these methods and support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you in my next video.